Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Tigo app and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can mod the game, guys. It's pretty simple and pretty easy in working with both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just going to open the app right now and I'll go immediately to my account. And as you can see right over here, guys, I'm generating so much tokens with this mod that I found it out, and I'm going to share to you guys that how you can do it also. Okay, I'm just showing to you the steps right now with my iPhone. The same steps is working also for the Android, guys. I already did it on my Samsung. I'm recording with it right now, so I cannot show you the steps for the moment. If you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I will do a tutorial for you without a problem, even though the steps are the same. Okay, all right, so practically now we're going immediately to start everything that you need to know about the mod. So before you start the whole process, guys, all you have to do to make sure first of all that you have the latest update, so you can just go to your Play Store or App Store and go to check about Tigo app. All right, oops, sorry, just Tigo. Okay, here it comes, Tigo Live, and make sure you have the latest update. So if it's going to show the sign of update, you just press it update and then we continue the rest of the steps. Okay, and before you start the whole process, guys, all you have to do is just need to make sure you have the good connection to internet, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. It will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not sure how to check this, I will show you immediately right now. So you just have to go to your settings and you just need to go to general and background app refresh. Here you have again on the top background app refresh, you have this option Wi-Fi and mobile data. You just select this and that's it, guys. Okay, then you just have to get back to the home screen, and all you have to do is just go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You just need to type the name of the website. It's called Find APK Mods. I'm just going to search in the, okay, here it comes in the Google. It show up over here, the first one. You just click on it, you will enter inside the site. You have a lot of other mods and games inside. You can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, you can just go and search here in the searching bar about the app, and here it is, guys. You just need to press in the middle and then press install. Now it will start installation of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod, guys, and generate the tokens same as me. So this is my video tour for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.